Today I'm going to show you how to set due dates in Jira. So right in Jira on the left hand side you'll have this menu, the sidebar over here. What you want to do is go into the space of the project that we'd like to create some of our deadlines for, or our due dates. So I'm going to use this one as an example. Make sure that you're in the list view right over here, and if you don't see list, go ahead, click on the plus icon, look for a list over here, click on it, and then click on add to navigation. You'll find it right here. Now if you're going through here, you can actually use the shift key and you can move down the line here by using the wheel on your mouse. Now here are due dates. Here you can order them differently, you can sort them, you can move the column left and right, and you can rename it or resize it. What we're simply going to do is, let's say this is the one that I'd like to change or add a due date to. Let's say we are going to set it to the 25th. There we go. It's literally as simple as that. This is now being moved, and if you go over here onto your calendar, you'll actually see that your items will be moved. Now the red ones, they are overdue, and the green ones, they're not overdue. So what's going to happen now is you are going to be able to see this right over here. You can even click on them here, it'll open it up, and here on the right hand side you should be able to change the due date over here. Same thing. So let's go change it to the 24th. It updates immediately. Just click on done over here and close this. You'll see now that this is actually changed to the 26th. There it is.